Hello, it's September 3rd of 2022, and a little bit of a project we're doing today is I'm going to use, I had to borrow this Kubota from my neighbor because it's quite a bit more powerful than the little 1010 John Deere down there. It just doesn't have enough power to lift up this 1945 welder out of the back of this GMC, my deck truck. I want to put that over into that green International over there just for, I need the deck truck, and the green International controls that welder temporarily. But anyway, so what we've got going here is interesting little modernization. Farmer cobble for sure, but on this Kubota it has two functions on the front end motor. One is to raise the rotor, or like the boom up, and then the other is to curl the bucket, which normally requires on these old farmer type implements or early construction implements. They had a dual spool thing with two separate handles. You had to, function with two different handles. But now this guy here, he has made both functions operate with one handle. And what he's done is modified, put a mounting plate up on top of the spool. In behind here, he's got a pivot. And in front, he's got these little linkages that you can buy anywhere. Throttle linkages or gear shift linkages or whatever linkages. You can just get them through Canadian Tire or Princess Auto or whatever. But he's designed this in such a way that he can operate the one lever, pulls up the boom, and then pull it sideways, and it curls the bucket. Kind of like a really cool thing. I would say it's your early style joystick. One lever mechanically does two functions. Absolute genius.